Look how many yummy balls that are ready. Hello everyone and welcome to Love Conscious Family, and this from this beautiful Bali. And today we're gonna make vegan date balls, and it's really easy recipe. You only need 4 ingredients, but you can mix it up however you like. So let's begin. So here we have some rolled oats, organic, that I just soaked a little bit because they are so thick. If you have normal or if you have finely cut, then you can just use them dry. And then some dates. And a little bit of vanilla. As I said, you can use, like, if you want to make chocolate balls or carob balls or like green powders, you can put anything. You can put anything you like in them. So let's blend. Use some water, you just dip your hands in, and then you just take some and roll into balls. And then put in the coconut. Look how many yummy balls that are ready. So now it's only to put in the fridge to cool down, or you can also put it in the freezer and store them and just take up when you would like to have a piece. It's so easy to make with so few ingredients. You don't have any oven, you don't need any oven. Yeah, it only takes a couple of minutes if you have guests coming over or if you have kids. This is the perfect little snack to enjoy. Healthy, nutritious, and super yummy. So if you like this video, please put a thumbs up, and if you like more recipe videos from us, please put a thumbs up, and also comment down below what you would like to see, any recipes, desserts, breakfast, dinners, whatever you like, snacks. So also don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't done it, so you don't miss any other recipes, fruit videos, and family lifestyle vlogs. So when you subscribe, click in the bell so you get notifications every time we upload a new video. So with that said, now it's time to put them in the fridge and the freezer, so yeah, we can enjoy them later. So have a beautiful and fruitful day.